So what a wonderful, wonderful gift. I didn't even expect this, but this is how much well, look, not how much. This is why I love Heat Transfer Warehouse as much as I do. They really do care. I don't have to film this, but I'm filming this because I want you guys to realize how amazing of a company this is. It goes beyond, you know, we shoot some content. No, they really, really, truly care. So I'm getting ready to get ready. And I get an email from Brooke over at Heat Transfer Warehouse. And she's like, hey, did you get the second box? I'm like, no, I don't know what you're talking about. The only box I had gotten was the box with the cookie for their 12th anniversary, their 12th birthday. And she's like, there should be another box. And so lo and behold, we go outside and look, me and this little guy, and there was another box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. What's in the box is amazing. And this is why I love them. Thank you guys so much. What an amazing birthday gift for myself and this guy. Say thank you, Heat Transfer Warehouse.
Thank you, Heat Transfer Warehouse.
Something like that. Let me show you what's in the box. All right, what do we got, Santana, baby?
I just see
We got some cards. Who's that one for up top? Let's see, this one, Santana, and this is Daddy's card, right? But I know you don't want to open the card first, because of course not. Babies want to go right to the gift. What's in there? What? Oh, you went right for the toy. That is his favorite. That is his favorite. And of course, I got to get my chubby on. But man, how amazing. How amazing. You guys are absolutely amazing. Look at how amazing this is. Thank you guys, Heat Transfer Warehouse. I cannot wait to see you guys. July. It's for myself. And they know my son's birthday is tomorrow, right after mine, and this is his. You guys are all amazing. If I can name you off by names, I would, but it'd probably be too long. And we thank you from the bottom of our heart. He's happy. He is a happy camper because that is his favorite thing to do. So, again, I didn't have to film this, but I just want to show just how much appreciation that this company, the people that work there have for, you know, content creators, influencers, you know, people in general. They don't have to do that. They don't have to recognize any one of us, but they take the time out of their day to do so. And that speaks volumes. And that's why I will always, always highly recommend them as one of the best places to get anything from. Heat Transfer Warehouse, the gang there. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. It means the world to me and my son. Thank you for recognizing it's my birthday, his right after. And I cannot wait to see you guys